Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I believe it has been a long time since my voice was last heard on this channel. It doesn't mean that I haven't been trading or I haven't been doing things behind the scenes. It's just been time. I've been, like I said, beginning of the year, I'm also studying, I'm also business, I'm also doing a whole lot of other things. So I kind of got busy and I've been trying to find time to actually do videos, and it has been hectic, but I've now come to a routine where I believe I can actually come back and do talk about the things that do matter to me, some of them which is trading. By the way, I've launched a new blog. The link will be in the description box below. It's still in development. It's going to be the one-stop shop for everything that you are probably going to need for your trading. So it's still in a draft, but it's live. The link is in the description box below if you want to go and check it out. We'll be posting content, talking about things, analysis, news, anything that you might need in your own trading. Of course, we are going to find for you free tools, free indicators, robots, share the courses, everything that you are going to need to become a successful trader. So we are going to add that in on that blog. Basically what you are just looking on your screen there is my trades yesterday was Friday, the first Friday of May. We know it's non-farm payrolls. Non-farm payrolls. How much money did you make non-farm payrolls? I hope you did make some money. I traded AUD USD as well as gold. As you can see there, the trades that I basically took yesterday. Comment below in the comment section. I just want to get an idea of how much money you made on non-farm payroll, or even if you blew your account or non-farm payroll, or if you stayed on the sidelines. Basically, I'm still using my system. You know, my system, I've refined it a bit. It's basically zone to zone trading. That's why you can see the purple lines and the blue lines there on your screen. You basically have the blue, is it blue or whatever color the lines at the bottom there, as well as the purple or red lines at the top there, which basically signify resistance, so support and resistance, zone to zone. That's what I do. That's what I do. I know there's ICT, there's many other concepts. You need to do this, you need to do. Basically, for me, this has been working for me. And why change something that has been working? But in any case, so this is how my non-farm payroll went. Traded gold and traded UD USD. I think I'll get into more videos as we go along about analysis, about focus, and things like that. I intend to do a lot actually now that I'm back, and I've figured out a routine to include the channels and all the other things that I'm doing as well. So yeah, I thought let me just come back and touch a base with you guys and let you know what has been happening and all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, subscribe if you are new to this channel. See the link in the description box below. I'm doing away with 1,000 links in the description box below. I'm just going to leave you with the link for the broker that I recommend, as well as the new blog that I'm finishing up. It's going to be the home for everything. If you want to learn trading and stuff like that, it's going to be the home for everything. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.
the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every